Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a brown roux for gravy. Start with equal parts fat and flour by volume and heat the fat over medium. Whisk in the flour to form a smooth paste, then reduce the heat so it develops color without scorching. Stir continuously, watching for a nutty aroma and deep brown shade. When you reach the color you want, remove from heat and proceed to add warm stock slowly while whisking. In this video, I will explain how to make a brown roux for gravy. Pick a fat that matches the dish, like clarified butter for mild flavor or drippings for savory depth. Measure equal volumes of fat and all-purpose flour and whisk them together in a warm pan. Keep the heat moderate and stir constantly so the flour browns evenly without burning. Monitor color and aroma. The roux will go from sandy to deep brown and smell nutty. In this video, I will help you make a brown roux for gravy. Control the heat so the roux develops color gradually. Rushing causes burning and bitterness. Expect several minutes for light brown and up to 10 to 20 minutes for a darker shade depending on heat. If an acrid smell appears, discard and restart with fresh fat. When ready, add warm stock in a slow stream while whisking to achieve a silky, lump-free gravy with consistent thickness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.